guys, how are you? My name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. I'm gonna show you guys something new. This is the new Hapa Kristin box. It's Love Limited. This is love theme for the Valentines. It's so cute. It looks like this. And if you open it, it's gonna be like this. Your contact lenses are gonna be in the box. This contains 4 to 8 contact lenses. So if you buy 4 contact lenses, you're gonna get this box, this cute box from Hapa Kristin. Also included in the box are 2 eye drops. I love these so much and I use them a lot when I use my contact lenses. I'm wearing Hapa Kristin right now. Hapa Kristin right now. It is the 1-day contact lenses, so there are 10 pieces in a box, so that's 5 days worth. These are the 1-month contact lenses. There are 2 pieces in each box. So if you guys don't know what you want from Hapa Kristin, I have a specific video. Gonna show you different kinds. I showed like 12 or 10 different kinds of colored contact lenses. Check them out on hapakristin.com. Use my code for 10% discount. It's SWATCH10. Use my code SWATCH10 for 10% off. I guarantee you guys, you're not gonna regret these colored contact lenses. They are very comfortable, they look natural, and I love them so much. What's the best about the company is they have free shipping for any purchase. So go ahead, check them out at hapakristin.com and let me know what you guys think. If you guys order, what color did you guys order? And what do you love about Hapa Kristin? Let me know. Don't forget, Swatch10. Thank you so much, Hapa Kristin, for sending me this box. Alright guys, let's try them on. You ready? I'm ready. Check them out, Hapa Kristin. Use code SWATCH10 for 10% off discount. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye!